Are you planning on selling your house but considering some renovations first? Well, there are some small projects that you can do quickly to boost your home's curb appeal, in addition to some bigger ones. It's just important to take the right steps to make sure your home is appealing to potential buyers. Just keep in mind, not all renovations have the same return on investment. This graph shows that the typical cost recovery for some common renovation projects, things like fixing or replacing a roof, a garage door, or hardwood floors, generally have the best return on investment. It all depends on your local market trends. That's why it's so important for us to work together before you start on any renovations, so you know which updates have the biggest impact in our market. So if you want to make sure your home sells quickly and for the best price, let's chat. Call me at 803-814-6136, and I'll help you figure out the best renovations to make sense for you.